Hello, and we're going to do a test. Actually, we've got a tester here for my PC that's finally died, so I'm going to show you exactly what it's doing. So if we switch it on from the back and we power on, so you hear the fans revving round, and basically that's all it does. Screen doesn't come on. Well, I'm using the telly, but nothing comes on. Didn't even come on the monitor. So here we are. 0707, that must be the error code, whatever that means, so we're going to look it up in here, our manual. So let's see if we can see 0707. No, we can't. What the bloody hell? So how do we go through this? I don't even tell you about 07. Must be, no, wouldn't it be 70? Display error message 07, but that don't tell me a lot, that 0707, and some of the lights not work. Obviously there is a fault. Well, that could be in anything. It don't tell you what 0707 is. Oh, hang on, 0704. Oh, 07, what's that? Verifies CMOS is working correctly, details bad battery. Next installation. Initialize the CPU and the CPU data disable. So it could be, if that's right, 07 could be a CPU problem, or it could be the battery. But if it was the battery, it should come on. But that's all it's doing. It ain't. You're just powering it up. Nothing else is happening. So makes me think it could be the motherboard has finally had it. And you can see it in all this mess. So I don't know if it's the CPU. Might have finally burnt out after all this hot weather we're having. That's why the fan always went into overdrive. But who knows? But it's definitely powering on, so it's not a power fault. There's such should be probably a motherboard failure somewhere. Okay. Also, I can tell it ain't doing nothing, because when you try and hold the button in, after about 10 or a few seconds, if you hold it in, it usually switches off. But in this case, nothing is happening, even though I've got the button firmly pushed down. Nothing's resetting, ain't switching off. Or if you push reset, that doesn't work either. So nothing's actually working. So there's got to be a fault somewhere. Probably the motherboard, as I said before. Right, I've taken the power supply unit out. As we can see, bloody hell, there's a lot of leads in this one. This one that I bought had to replace because the original blew up. Looks like bleeding dreadlocks. So long, so many wires. So what we're going to do, we're going to test the PSU unit by using our trusty PSU tester. Here we go. So we got one for the big main connector, a CPU connector, hard drive connector, SATA connector, whatever. HDD, I think that's Molex, to be honest with you, and floppy. It's got all the different what you can test. So we're going to rig that up, plug it in, and start the tests. Right, we're testing CPU, PSU now, and all the lights have come on except for that 5 volt. So I don't know if all the lights are supposed to come on, but that's the only one that ain't coming on, but that could be normal. So everything else has come on. Shouldn't be the reason why the computer shouldn't power up. So we're going to try another plug. Bear with me. Now we'll put the CPU plug in, so that one's coming up. Oops, out of focus. Just one light's coming on, the 12 volt. So I think the 3 and the 5 volt are the smaller, like floppy disks or drives, but I think that's fine. So it ain't definitely the PSU unit at fault. So who knows? If you're watching this video, you can please tell me. Could be the motherboard. Anyway, I'm going to leave it now. Thank you for watching. Till next time, and goodbye.